One day, a woman named Sarah decided to move to a new apartment. She was excited for a fresh start. Sarah knew she had a lot of planning and packing to do before moving day. First, Sarah made a list of things she needed to pack. She had books, clothes, and dishes. Sarah bought boxes and markers. She labeled each box with its contents. This way, she would know where everything was. Sarah started packing early. She packed a little bit every day. She also decided to donate things she no longer needed. It felt good to have less stuff. On moving day, Sarah was ready. She had friends who helped her. They carried boxes and furniture to a truck. Sarah felt thankful for her friends. In her new apartment, Sarah unpacked her boxes. She organized her things. She hung pictures on the walls. The apartment started to feel like home. Sarah was happy in her new place. She was excited about new beginnings. She invited her friends over to thank them. They had a small party in her new apartment. Moving was a lot of work, but Sarah was happy she did it. She looked forward to making new memories in her new home.
Why did Sarah decide to move to a new apartment? What did Sarah do to prepare for her move? How did Sarah feel in her new apartment?